Hi guys, how we doing? I thought I would nip on and show you if it's happening with these bloody tomatoes. Look at this one, look, pure white. The leaves are turning white. This one looks okay, that one looks okay, that small one looks okay, that one over there broke, the stem broke, the string touched it and it broke, and this one is turning white. Now I've been doing some research and I believe it's called sun bleaching or sunburn or whatever, and it's because I didn't harden them off, seemingly. But these ones are okay. So, and this one was in the same part, the same seed tray, if you will. So I don't understand that. So I've got these ones now. During my research, I have learned that they will come back. This will bush stop. So I'll leave it for a couple of days, and if it gets any worse, I'll transplant it with one of these. This one I'm going to put in here to replace this because this broke. And when I mentioned the tomatoes melting, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Because if you come up here, and come into the cherry tomatoes, which have also started to turn white, but they were all in the same seed. Well, these were in a different module tray, but they were all put out, brought in, put out, brought in, all for the same amount of time. I don't understand it, but this is what I mean by melting. Look, it's just melted. So I don't have another cherry tomato, so I'm going to have to put a Crimson Crush in here and hope these two survive. But strawberries are doing well, potatoes are still growing well, everything over here. I mean, the chard seems to forget that it needs to grow. The chard, the kale. This is my last two. If you remember right, I had about a dozen. And again, they're just dying. These are going in today, down where the tomatoes are. Sweet corn is still alive, but look at it. Beetroot. That's a bucket of lettuce and that's a bucket of chard. I'm going to put these in today, along here, and then hopefully that will keep whatever bugs away. So this is getting replaced and these are going in today. But what I did find in my tunnel was a volunteer tomato from last year. Yeah. Now, I don't know what the type it is, but I'm just going to let it grow, see what happens. It's in amongst the spring onions and the onions. Let it grow, see what happens. With a bit of luck, it'll be a cherry. Lettuce, chard. If you look here, this is my cauliflower seeds that I put in. I'm just going to let them come up and then transplant them out. And in here, the broccoli seeds have started to come up. These are the other carrots. This is the broccoli seeds. So everything in here seems to be doing well. Don't know what that is. That can come out, and that can come out, and that can come out. And in here, let's see if I can get this lifted up so that you can see. I think the two broccoli, there's big broccoli in there that you can see. I think it's time that they can come out. I think these can come out of here now. A potato seed. Pull that out. Get it in the compost. So these are cabbage. Again, this is lettuce. We eat a lot of lettuce, as you may add. Here's another volunteer potato. Needs to come out. This is turnip, and this is cabbage, and in between I'm growing lettuce. Brussels sprout, broccoli and broccoli, because I wanted some early stuff. So these tubs can come out here now, because I've got broccoli growing in buckets in the garden, and the pigeons aren't touching them. I'm losing some heat in my compost bin. I don't know what it's like. It was a bit wet, which is the reason I made the other bin. Let's have a look down the bottom. It looks drier now. There's a big gap, but it looks drier. So I need to get that shoved down and turned over. So everything seems to be going. These here, I put these in very quickly. These are Brussels sprouts. But I see that one over there seems to be doing well, but I just thought I'd put them in just in case. And in here, this here, I don't know if you can see it or if it's just me. This is Swiss chard, which when it gets a bit bigger will be transplanted. There's another seed volunteer potato. And that's that. And here I've got my onions, my leeks, my spring onions. I've got beetroot, and I put beetroot seeds in here to fill up the gap. And here I've put carrot seeds in where the gaps are to try and fill up the rows. And then here, between this stick and this label, I've put kale seeds. And I'm actually running out of room now because I've still got onions there growing that I need to get somewhere. So I think that's it for today. Everything seems to be growing well. I'm still struggling to see where I'm going to put things. This here again, cauliflower, broccoli, broccoli, cauliflower, broccoli, cauliflower, broccoli, cauliflower, all at different stages. And I need a cauliflower for here, and I need both for this one, cauliflower, broccoli. The wife's want to get, is it Lavateria forsythia for in there. So that's the asparagus huttonhead. Still got these need to go out. Herbs are doing well, everything's working okay. And these flowers I've left for the wife, still to go out. And my tunnel's empty. So, no point in showing you that. But that's it for today, I think. So, if I am wrong about the tomatoes, if it's not cold, if it wasn't sunburned or sun blanched or whatever, or if there's another reason why they're turning white, I would greatly appreciate it if you commented below and let me know what you think it is and if there's anything that I can do to fix it. I've just ordered CalMag. CalMag is a spray, or you put it in you can feed your plants with it. Because I seen it on the Potty Mouth Garden Club last night, and it helps with blossom end rot, which I've never had, to be honest. And I've also ordered Epsom, sorry I'm out of breath with that one. I've also ordered Epsom salts. Now I know Epsom salts is magnesium, which is in the CalMag, but I thought I'll get it anyway because just so that I know I've got it there just in case. So there's not much to do. I've just to replace a tomato and put in the French marigolds. In fact, we'll do that just now and then that's it done. But give us a wee second. Okay, so this one is the broken one. That's coming out. And what I'm going to do is just put a wee hole, some mycorrhizal fungi in there. Let's see if I can put you down somewhere where you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can see that, I think. So, spare tomato plant, if I can get it out without breaking it. Which I think is going to be quite difficult. There's no one to come. I don't want to break any of the other ones, that's the problem. Did one just fall out there? No. Oh, Fi's thing's always this difficult. Oh dear. Right, okay. I don't know if this is going to take either, because look at it, I couldn't get it out the module tray. So anyway, get it in as deep as I can get it. And that's that one done. And then in here, all along here, I'm going to put again another wee sprinkle of mycorrhizal fungi, and all along here I'm going to put these French marigolds. Why is everything so bloody difficult? Right, okay, I'm actually embarrassing myself now. So I'm going to get all of these out of this module and then get them planted. And then I stand up and I break my camera, my phone. So that's it for today, definitely. Because I'm now starting to make things fall and break. So I'm going to drink my coffee and then I'll get all these things done. And hopefully that's it. So again, if you can find a way that, if you know what's wrong with my tomato plants turning white, I mean, I feel sorry for them after everything that's been happening to them, but if you know what's happening to them, if there's a way to fix them, please leave in the comments below, and I would be eternally grateful. Okay, hope everybody stays safe. Thanks for watching. Bye now.